Neck exercises, loosening practices. Forward and backward bending. Stand with the feet comfortably apart. Keep the hands straight beside the body. Keep your arms on the waist. Now, move the head forward slowly. Try to touch the chin to the chest while doing this. Now, slowly move the head as far back as you are possible. Relax. This is one count. Forward one, backward one is one count. Now repeat the same for 3 counts. Backward. Second, relax. Relax. Third count. Relax. Now, right and left side bending. Stay in the same position. Now, slowly bend your head towards your right. Come back to normal position. Now, slowly bend your head towards your left. Relax. This is one count and repeat the same for 3 counts. 1, 2, relax. 2, relax. 3, relax. Now, right and left twisting. Stay in the same position. Keep the head upright. Now, gently turn the head towards your right. Come back to normal position. Now, slowly turn your head towards your left. Come back to normal position. This is one round and repeat the same for 3 counts. Count number 1, turn towards your right. Relax. Left. Relax. Second count right. Relax. Left. Relax. Third count right. Relax. Left. Relax. Now, next is neck rotation. Stay in the same position. Now, slowly bend your head forward and start rotating your head clockwise. Do a complete full rotation. Do 3 clockwise rotations. 1, 2, 3, relax. Now start rotating anti-clockwise. 3 counts. 1, 2, 3, relax. Now next is trunk movement. Keep the legs about 2 to 3 feet apart. Raise both the arms up to chest level with palms facing each other. Try to keep them parallel. Now twist your body. Relax. Now turn to your left. Relax. Do this 3 times. Right. While turning to your right, your left arm should touch your right shoulder. Relax. Turn to your left. While turning left, your right arm should touch your left shoulder. Relax. Second. Left. Relax. Next, knee movement. Stand comfortably and keep the legs about 2 to 3 feet apart. Inhale. Lift your arms up at your shoulder level. Palms facing downwards. Bend the knees and bring down your body to the squatting position. The arms and thighs should be parallel to the ground. Relax. Do this for 3 counts. 1, relax. 2, relax. 3, relax.